Hey everybody, this is Dan Son DIY It All, and this is a quick video to help you if you have a Frigidaire refrigerator that has the replace air filter light on. First, locate the air filter, which is inside the refrigerator section. Second, check your model number so you can get the right filter. Third, on this unit, and we checked everywhere, all the other displays showed a different method. This is on the inside part of the freezer door. And you see here, I bumped it and held it. I didn't realize you press first. After pressing, you'll hear a beep. Then you hold, and that'll reset the light for you. And it'll turn right to the top. And when you shut the door, it'll go ahead and be off. So that way you'll have another 6 months before that light comes on and you have to replace that filter. So if you see this light on your panel, this is how you clear it. Hope you enjoyed. Take care. All our best.